You say you're a real trader, but let's be real. Are you trading or are you gambling? You check your trades in bed, you can't keep your eyes off the screen, and when you lose money, you double your lot, your next trade, just to try to win it back. So at this point, this isn't trading anymore. This is addiction. And it's slowly wrecking your mental health, your focus, your relationships, and I would even say maybe your future. So here's the truth that not a lot of traders talk about, maybe even know about, and that is trading and gambling, essentially, they trigger the same part of your brain, a chemical known as dopamine, okay? So what is that? It's essentially that rush that you get when you're winning, but it's also that itch that you feel when you're losing. So you think, one more trade, I'll just scalp this one real quick. But that's not trading discipline. That's like slot machine mindset. You know how when you go to the casino, you put that little $20 bill in, you know, that little ticket, and you just put it in and you just keep going. You know what I'm talking about. Well, maybe, I don't know, depending on where you are in the world. Anyway, back on track. That kind of mindset doesn't really help you, right? Because it's like you keep going and you don't stop. And the longer you stay there, the more you put yourself at risk of losing and losing more. So to know if you've crossed the line, watch for these signs. You feel relief more than confidence when you win. You revenge trade the moment you take a loss. You struggle to walk away, even to eat, sleep, or live your life. You keep your trading results away from your family and friends, and you keep blowing your accounts only to say, the next one is gonna be different. No, it won't. It never is. These aren't strategy flaws. This is emotional addiction disguised as hustle, and it's going to eat away at your focus, your peace, and your self-worth. You might not see it now, but it shows up slowly. You can't be present in real life. You lose entire days in front of the charts. You snap at people around you, and your confidence is destroyed with every loss. And what's worse in all of that is you stop trusting yourself. And when that happens, trading doesn't just start taking your money, but it starts taking your mind. Trading shouldn't feel like a trap. It should feel intentional, empowered, structured. And that's why I personally recommend firms that promote healthy habits, discipline, and structure, like OFP. With OFP, you're instantly funded from day one, so that means no challenges. You get clear daily loss limits, so that means no overtrading spirals. You get to track your performance with our dashboard, and payouts are pretty fast. OFP isn't a gambling loop, it's a trader's platform built for people who want to trade better, not chase a dopamine hit. So if any of this hits you, don't ignore it, because trading is a skill. It's not a slot machine. And once you break the addiction cycle, you go from surviving to winning. Drop a comment if you've ever felt trapped by trading and let us know. Let's talk about it, because you are not alone. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.